Hey everyone, in today's video I will show you how to add shape format tab in PowerPoint. So let's get started. First open PowerPoint and your presentation. Now click on the file tab at the top left side of your screen and look for the option button usually is located in the bottom left side. You just have to click on that and in the window click on customize ribbon. Now here you have to change the drop down menu from main tab to tools tab, and then here you have to look for the shape format option which is right here, and you just have to select it and click on the OK button. Now the shape format tab will appear in your toolbar and giving you access to advanced shape editing tools. And that's it. You have just unlocked the shape format tab in PowerPoint. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching.